Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by verifying that your PC runs a supported Windows release and has all latest updates. This prevents compatibility issues. Next, sign in with a Microsoft account because the store ties purchases and app licenses to that identity. Once signed in, open Settings and check Windows Update, install pending patches, and restart. Now, attempt to open Microsoft Store. If it's missing, proceed to the reinstallation commands in the next slide. Those restore core store components. You'll run PowerShell as administrator to remove and reinstall the Microsoft Store package. This refreshes app registration. Then, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and sfc/scano to repair system files that the store depends on. Once those complete, restart and check the store. If the store app still misbehaves, use Settings app's Microsoft Store Advanced options, reset to clear cache and local data. Make sure to save any unsynced app data before resetting. You'll finish by signing back into your Microsoft account inside the freshly installed store and confirming your region, date, and time. Incorrect settings block some store operations. Then run the built-in Windows Store troubleshooter and ensure services like Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service are running. If problems persist, create a new local Windows user, sign in, and test the store there. This isolates profile corruption. Key troubleshooting tip: if a reinstall fails, try installing pending cumulative updates before repeating the store reinstall.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.